ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಹತ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ನೀವು ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಂ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಒಂದು 2-3 ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಕೂರ್ಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರಿ, ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So I met a couple of not subscribers, so they saw my motorcycle and they wanted to take a picture, and they asked me to do a little bit of rev warm, but I told that I'll not be able to do it, but I can give you a slightly open stretch when I climb the flyover. So I just told them to go in front so that they should be able to see through it. So I'm doing it for them. So yeah, it's always important to make sure that you spread your community, right? So possibly I'm going to get another subscriber, but yeah, with that, let's make them happy. Because at the end of today, all I realized lately was giving content of what subscriber needs versus what Rakshit needs to put, right? So I'm learning, we'll get there one day. But I'm glad that I met a couple of people. I'm happy to see the love from Madkeri also. So it looks like my folks have already went off so far. There's some attention. By the way, folks, when that Ferrari accident happened, right, the traffic was still this end. So to that extent there was traffic. ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಡೆಕಾಥ್ಲಾನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ. ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಿಡು ಮಗ, ನಾಳೆ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ. ಓಯ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯನೋ? ಮಳೆ ಬರಂಗಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರಂಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು ನೀನು.